Hello everyone and welcome back to IHM Flex. Welcome back to the 60-day training on MS Word. In our previous video, we learned about table tools like merge and split. Today's topic is images in MS Word. Images make our document more attractive, informative and professional. In this video, you will learn firstly how to insert images, secondly how to move them, and thirdly and lastly how to wrap text around images. So let's get started. First, we'll understand why do we do it. Images are used to document the information which explain information visually, improve the presentation, and make reports, assignments, and notices more attractive. That's why knowing how to handle images properly is very important. Let us first learn how to insert an image in MS Word. For that, you need to go to the Insert tab, then go to the Pictures in the ribbon, then select this device, and you can choose the option wherever you have saved the picture which you want to insert. For this case, I know that I have my picture in the desktop saved. So I'll choose desktop and then we'll choose this image which I want to insert and then click on insert button. See, the insert option helped me insert the image appear in the document. Now let's learn how to resize and move the image. To resize, click on the image, then drag the corner handles like this. These four are the corner handles. Stop using the side handles because it will stretch the image and will make it look unorganized. So we'll use the side handles to shorten or increase the size of the image with the perfect size without making it look stretched. I'll make the image a little small like this. Now comes the most important part, which is wrap text. That is this option. Now there's one more thing to notice that whenever I click on the picture, a new tab opens which is picture format. This helps me a lot in making any changes to the picture with a number of formatting options. So let's get back to the wrap text thing. The wrap text decides how text behaves around the images. For that, you can click on the image, then go on the wrap text icon there in the picture format tab. Or you can also see that there is an option available here already, which is actually the wrap text icon, which appears every time we click on the picture. So now we can see the different options available in this, which is in line with the text. In this, the image behaves like a text. The second one is square. This text wrap around the images. Third is tight. That means it helps close wrapping of the text. And there are different menu options which you can explore and make changes as per your need. For example, behind text will help you to put the image first and the text behind. Oh, sorry, the opposite of it. Behind text will help you to put the text in front and then behind it will be a picture. And the opposite of this is in front of text. So let's do a quick example. I'll put up a sentence, for example, a beautiful sunset is amazing to watch. Then I'll insert a picture, the same picture that we just saw. This device, I have it saved on the desktop, so I'll go there directly and insert. Now to this, I'll apply the square wrap text. That is this one. Now you will see when I'll move the picture here, the text will move along with it. It has come down the picture. The text is now below the picture because the size is too big to fit any word. I'll shift it a little this, make it a little smaller. Then you can see the picture is now, the image is next to the text that I had earlier written. And this is how it is making it looking very beautiful. And that is how it is making it look very beautiful. This option of square text helps us to wrap the text around the image. For example, if I click on the picture and then move it a little like this, you can see the word is here and beautiful sunset to watch is here. I'll make the image a little more short. Then you can see the words moving along. The text is wrapping itself around the picture as per the space available. So I hope this was really easy to understand and you can do it yourself. Let's do a quick recap of what we have learned today. That is how to insert images, how to resize and move images, and third, how to use wrap text options. In the next video, we will learn shapes and smart art to create diagrams and flowchart in the Word document. By then, keep learning visually with item Flex.